What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I want to talk about my opinions, my thoughts. Is the Bitcoin rally or is the crypto rally over? Bull market over? Is it time now for bear market? And basically, is everything gonna keep falling like we've seen in the last 2 weeks? So that's what I want to share today in this video. Now guys, this is just my thoughts. I might be wrong here, so please don't do anything based on what I'm saying in this video. So first off, one thing you may have not realized, that in the recent dips, I haven't really done many videos, because in the past when we had dips, I've been doing videos saying that I'm buying the dips and just telling you that I was buying and I thought that we are still bullish. And I haven't really done it this time because I really did not feel this time it is the same as the last times. Now I don't want to come across here like saying I predicted everything and all of this, because that's not what, I'm just here to share information on my thoughts, okay? So I don't want to come across like arrogant trying to say that I predicted all, because it is annoying, I'm not going to lie. When people say they predict everything, it just kind of, what's the point of it? Just to try and stab people back in the face. And this major dump, I did expect a dump, but I'm not going to lie, it did hit me. I did not expect it to happen in this moment. So in other words, yes, I did lose money because of this dump. Although I did predict a pullback, I did not predict it will happen in this moment, So this is the way it works, guys. No one can predict the absolute minute of things, right? Now, of course, we all know it started off with Elon Musk tweets, and so at the moment things are not looking too great in the short term. However, guys, do I believe Bitcoin is over? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. If you are a long-term investor, this should not really worry you. I mean, of course, I'm trying to think what the right word is, because of course you will be worried if your Bitcoins have gone down over $20,000 or more, 30,000 almost, since its all-time high. Then I'm sure you might be concerned. But in other words, what I'm trying to say is, if you are a long-term investor, when I say long-term, you are looking for years ahead. You're not looking for the next month, 2 months, 3 months. Then I believe that the bull market is not over. You will still, or Bitcoin will still be going up very nicely in the long term. However, guys, in the short term right now, things are not looking too great, and I don't believe things will fly back up in the next week or two. I do think this, I wouldn't say it's a bear market, but this bear trend that we have right now will continue for a little while. And I don't see this, I mean, unless proven otherwise, I don't see this changing in the very short term. However, guys, if you didn't sell Bitcoin at high numbers and you're thinking to sell now, I don't know really what to say, because selling now, you're selling low, and I do believe it will go higher. Of course, if you sold a while back, like how beeping, if you sold it a while back on a higher number, then it's a different story. But selling it now in the 30,000s, in the 30s, I don't know. Again, Bitcoin could still go lower, so maybe not. But this is just what I'm trying to think now. And altcoins, of course, most altcoins are bleeding heavily, guys. And I've been always saying this: if Bitcoin falls heavily, altcoins will fall. Of course, there's always 1 or 2 altcoins that pump heavily for a day or two, but in general, altcoins are bleeding heavily. And I do think some altcoins will still pump heavily, don't get me wrong, but it's all what Bitcoin does at this moment. So if Bitcoin is going to continue falling heavily, altcoins are going to fall heavily. Now, I didn't sell everything, I'm not going to lie. I still hold on to some things, and to be honest, I'm at this point that the stuff I'm holding on, even if it falls down heavily, I'm not going to panic, I'm not going to worry, because most things, or in fact all of the things I hold, but I believe long term could do very well. I mean, of course, nothing is guaranteed, but for example, Chainlink, right? I've been speaking about Chainlink many times, and Chainlink is probably one of my main altcoin holdings right now. And I do believe Chainlink will, I mean, of course, it went up very nice. I'm not going to lie. We've been buying Chainlink from $2 or $3, and it went up to $50 2 weeks ago. So we can't complain. Although now it's maybe in the 40s, but it doesn't matter, guys. It's up like a few 100%. So I'm not panicking. Of course, the people that bought more recent are more stressed because they might be underwater, but even though Chainlink, I still believe, is going to reach higher numbers. Now, of course, we need to wait for a bit of a breather, things to change a bit in the market, the sentiment. But right now, obviously, things can go lower. And my point of this message is, without trying to ramble too much, is I don't think the bull market is over. I do think this year there will be some rallies. I do think this right now is going to be midterm. I don't think prices will flip back up fast in the next week or two. That's my point. But I don't think that Bitcoin is going to crash from here and fall and fall and fall for the next 3 years. I don't think that's here yet, okay? And I do think there's one big rally still to come this year, this summer potentially. Again, I might be wrong here, guys, and things can always change. You know, if I say something now and in 3 months things can change, all depends on the situation in the world. It depends on many different things, on the stock market. So of course it's impossible really to predict or to be certain. But do I believe? I believe the rally will still continue. There will still be a massive pump in crypto markets. Not right now, but this year. This is just my opinion, my thoughts. I might be wrong, things might be changed. So of course I'm not buying the dip yet, okay? But if we do fall into some very juicy numbers, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna try and maximize and buy as much as I could, because I know this game. I've been in the crypto thing like 5 years almost now. So I've watched a lot. I'm not gonna lie. And sometimes I really regret not buying into certain levels. And this time I did not jump in yet right now, because I still feel that we could still go lower, however, in the short term. However, I do think that for long term, soon might be a good time to buy. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I will try and be doing more video updates. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.